I wanted to share a quick tip with you about how to get those darts traced onto your fabric piece in a super quick and easy way. Take your pin and put it directly through the point of the dart when your piece is totally aligned with the fabric, going straight through the fabric. And you're going to want to do this through multiple positions of the pattern. If you have little push pins that have small heads, you can actually pull the pattern through the pin when you're taking the pattern off. That's definitely one way to do it. But often that gets a little bit tricky when we have so many. So I like to do this and then I flip it over to the other side and I have all my pins in the location I want. Then I'll come in and I'll mark the location with a pencil. And I have my 2 notches on the end here to match. Then I'll take this off and I have all my marks there so I can start pinning up my dart. Go from one pencil to the other on the other side. There we are. We're all pinned and ready to sew up.